Hey traders, what's up? This is Trader's Journey, where we will walk together to achieve our goal. Today I thought of sharing my trading and what exactly goes around my mind during the live trade, how I read the market, how I take the help of price action. So stick to the end of the video and I'll show you the live market footage. Though Friday is usually a day of inactivity, as Thursday is always either weekly expiry or monthly expiry, so there will not be much of trading activity on Fridays. But even though I tried to trade on this day. Today morning, when I opened the Bank Nifty index chart, I didn't see any direction in the market as expected. So initially I thought of not trading today. But still, I glanced over my selected stop and noticed that the Kotak Mahindra Bank was around 1.5% negative, whereas Bank Nifty was negative by only around 0.5%. And please note that the Kotak Mahindra Bank usually mirrors the move of the Bank Nifty index. So I started observing Kotak Bank chart. At around 11:25 am, that is here, note I trade on 1 minute chart. I saw a trend line forming, and at around 11:26 am, that is here, the trend line was broken. I took a short position and set a stop loss of 6 points and a target of around 12 points, as you can see in the chart. Within 20 minutes, my target was done. Remember guys, I'm still learning, and as I always recommend, trade with a small account first, work on your consistency, and then go with the big numbers. Here, I took 25 stocks of Kotak Mahindra Bank and shorted, and took 12 points as target. So here is my profit for today. I will refresh it once. So there you go. This is my profit for today. I took the trade not based on some strategy or some indicators, but I utilized pure price action. As you can see in the chart, the stock was forming a bear flag pattern, so it was indicating a bearish structure of the market. I took position at rupees 1542 and stock hit a low of rupees 1580. It slipped 1.5% from the point where I took the position, and overall stock hit a low of 3.55% from the open price. After the trade, I observed the Bank Nifty index for some time. As I said, I am a learner, and for every learner, it is very important to observe market. If possible, observe live market. I made observation on the movement of the market. Here is some footage of my market observation and what exactly goes in my mind during the live market. end of the day, this is the chart of the Nifty index. As you can observe in the footage and also here, you can observe that first I draw an area of value by a box, which the market broke at around 13:31 hours. Now that area of resistance became the area of support, which the market retested and went up. But as I said, Friday is not a very great day for market movement, and hence it could not sustain and came down at around 13:50 hours. As you noticed, I have drawn a trend line, and this is the beauty of price action. The market reversed from the area of confluence of my trend line and the horizontal support line. It went up and made a new high, but again it could not sustain and came down. Again it reversed from the trend line, but this time, as you can see, it could not break the previous high, which means there is no buyer to push the market higher. So the question of long trade is out of the window. As I already said, Friday is a day of inactivity. After this point, the market kept fluctuating back and forth and closed without moving in either direction. As you can see, I have observed market and kept drawing support and resistance area, trend line, neckline, which shows the kind of activity that was going on in my mind during the live market. Now the question is, why I do this? This is like doing physical exercise, which you do every day in gym. It increases your strength, your stamina, and ultimately makes you healthy. But can you achieve all those by going to gym one time or once in a week? No, right? So in the same way, we have to keep observing market, keep reading charts, keep observing price movements. Then only our mind becomes trained and starts spotting trading opportunity, and do not panic at the time of live trade. This is how you will become a consistent, profitable trader one day. That is it for today. So how was the video? Please do leave a comment, and as always, hit the like button if you think this video was helpful in enhancing your trading knowledge. And please subscribe and share with new traders, as this is the platform where newbies will acquire confidence to trade. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.